Yes. So here's the question, students. You can see the shape on the screen, right? Each square has a side 4 centimeter. Okay, you have to find the area. How will you find it? That is the question, right? How to find the area of this shape? That means we are talking about the total area of this shape, right? Total area here. Okay, now how do we find that? Now hold on a second, let me explain. Right, I'm going to use a different color pen, right, to identify two different things. Okay, first we will talk about this rectangle only. Right, first we will talk about this rectangle only. For the rectangle, I'm not writing the whole thing, I'm just writing rect. Okay, for the whole rectangle, the area is equal to, right, for the rectangle, or rather not area, the correct word would be rectangle number of squares. Let's count number of squares is equal to how many? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? We have got 6 squares here. Okay, now focus, remember this one. Now we are talking about this triangle, right? We are talking about only this triangle. Now finding the area of triangle, what are we going to use? We are going to use the formula that we know, that area of triangle is half of the rectangle that it is part of, है ना? So we are going to assume that the rectangle, this is the entire rectangle, and then in for this case, what will be its area, or rather number of squares there? Number of square is equal to 1 2 3 here, and 1 2 and 3 here. So 3 threes are 9, right? So number of squares for triangle, we have to divide it by 2. 9 divided by 2 is what? 4.5, isn't it? Right, we already know this, correct? Yes, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So total squares, total number of squares is equal to what? 6 plus 4.5, which equals to 10.5, right? Yeah, done. Okay, good. Now the next part now comes in the next part. What we have to do, right? Each square has side of 4 centimeters. So I'm going to the next page here. Okay, and I'm going to switch to black color, going back to my preferred color here. Okay, all right. So area of one square is equal to 4 into 4, because we know area of one square is side into side. One side is 4 centimeters, so area of one square 4 into 4 is equal to 16 square centimeter, right, everyone? Yes. Now so area of the shape, area of given shape is equal to, what will come? 10.5, we have the number of squares into area of 1, which is 60. So what will be the answer? You have to multiply 16 into 10.5, right? 16 into 10.5, what will be the answer? Come on everyone, give me the answer there. 16 into 10.5. Mantra Thakkar. Yes beta, yes Mantra.
No, sir, I am Rishi. From mistake, I write wonder.
Oh, okay, 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 right, okay, yeah, right. Come on, give me the answer here. 16 into 10.5. Check your answer again. Slok.
Sir,
Yes, Mahir, correct answer. Mahir has been given
sir,
the correct answer. Yes, you have to
sir,
multiply.
you can send the recording session of this class.
Yes, I am recording it and I'll be uploading it on YouTube. Have you subscribed to the channel? Sorry.
Yes, sir, I will subscribe.
Right. So
Sir,
how do we multiply 105 into 16 in the rough one? Right, we do the math simply. 6 5s are 30, 3 carried over 3, 6 ones are 6, right? Now, okay, so we have got 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 6, same, 1, है ना? Correct? And then we have to count for the decimal. So 168.0, 168.0 square centimeter. That will be the answer. Yes, so many correct answers we have got, right? Okay, everyone, understood? Everyone is clear on this one? Very good. Now in the
Sir,
question, yes, who is that?
sir, I am Shanvi Mukherjee. I have a book full marks, my
Mm-hmm.
sister's book. So, there is all answers in this book.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Can I see from this in
You can,
for revision?
yeah, sure, no problems, no problems, है ना? Please go ahead and keep trying.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
now everyone, another type of example that is part of your syllabus, part of your portion for the exam is definitely the smart charts, right? We are talking about smart charts, so let's talk about, sorry, hold on a second. Yeah, okay, so if we talk about smart charts, right, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, we already know this. Let's say temperature here and cities, right? Cities, or rather places of the cities, है ना? Places of city, है ना? Okay, right? Say for example, Nana Bazar, Mota Bazar, okay, and then we have got Mahadev area, right? I'm talking about our nearby areas. Okay, yes, everyone, this will bring some smiles, है ना? Right? And let's put Karamsad here. This is Karamsad. Okay, this is Karamsad. The fourth one is Karamsad area. Okay, right? This will bring some smiles.
Sir,
Yes,
this chat will come in exam.
yes, this type of question will come. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
temperature,
Thank you.
let's say here it's 5, 10, 15. Not happening. Hold on. Arre, what happened here? Why it's not working? What did I do wrong here? Hold on a second. Yeah. No. Hold on a second. Something is wrong here. I don't know what. Very good. See, everyone. Yes, take an answer, everyone. Okay. Wait. Hold on a second. Yes. Okay, so one more example. Hold on a second. I have. Yeah, okay. Now we are back. 24 right. Rupees. Okay. I have 24 rupees and my father gave me. Hold on a second. This is giving me some problems today. Yeah, okay.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
I know. Hold on a second. Just a second. How much money I have? Total rupees. Share screen. Right. Now is it working? Can you see it on your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now this is 5. Yeah. Then 10 here, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. These are the temperatures, है ना? So in Nana Bazar, you felt the temperature to be 15 degrees Celsius. Obviously, degree Celsius we have to write. Then in Mota Bazar, it was say 20, right? In Mahadev area, it was 7 or 8 degrees Celsius here, somewhere around here. In Mahadev area, I am not writing anything. Okay, right? Now, or rather here, right? So the question is, right? Um, in terms of the in which part of the city is the temperature highest? Very simple question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right? It's very simple question that in which part of the city or in which in place of the city, right? The temperature is the highest, right? So you just have to read the question thoroughly, right? So Karam sir is the answer
Karam.
here. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now those are very simple questions, right? Those are very simple questions, and obviously the question paper will not have some simple and silly question. The question will be, right? What is the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature? Right? What is the difference between highest and the lowest? So you will have to read the highest temperature here, then the lowest temperature here, and find the difference between these two. Yeah. Okay. Right. And there might be a question. There might be a question that the temperature difference between these two. Right. Okay. So you will have to read the question very properly. Okay. Very carefully read the question. Yes. Not simple subtraction. Sometimes it might be comparison, right? Or which places, like the question should be which places have temperature below 20 degrees Celsius. So then below 20 degrees Celsius, 1 and 2, both this will come, है ना? Right? This one will come and this one will come. So that type of questions are there in the question, in the paper. So you'll have to read the instructions very carefully, right? Do you understand? Yes? You'll have to read the questions very carefully. Yes, Akshat. You want to say something, Beta?
Sir, I have a doubt. You have not said this temperature was in summer, in
All these,
summer or winter.
yes, that is what I am saying. In the question, everything will be mentioned properly, and you will have to read the question properly. Take your time, है ना? Take your time. That is very important. Okay, you must take enough time in reading the question. Okay, right, everyone? Yes, do you understand what I am trying to say? You must read the question properly, है ना? So we have covered fields and fences, that is area and perimeter, right? Then smart charts. Now what is left? See the pattern, symmetry and patterns, right? Those two chapters are left here for revising, है ना? Now when it comes to symmetry, right, it's very easy. We have done so many examples, and the last quiz that we had done, I hope that you have solved those questions that I had given, है ना? In the last session we had done a very interesting session, right? And that way it was done very wonderful. Okay, yes everyone, right? Tanvi, did you solve those questions on your own? Yes or no, beta? Yes, no? Good, very good, right? Okay, so if you have done those, I think like you will get the idea in the question paper what kind of questions will be there. Okay, now talking about the okay, yes, yeah, you want to say something? Yes, yeah.
Sir, I did some worksheets of smart charts and all other chapters from Google.
Wonderful, wonderful. You should keep practicing.
There were same questions.
Yeah, okay, right. Yes, Nirja, you want to say something, beta? Yes, Nirja, unmute yourself. Sorry.
I don't want to.
Okay, right. Yes, Dwej. Yes, Dwej.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Can you see the pattern? How we in breaking the rules?
Uh,
I don't know how to break the rules.
to break the rules or to find the which one breaks the rule?
Yes.
Yeah, see, you have to
Find
find the
the-
pattern, right? You have to find the pattern once, right? The rule which it is follows, right? Which it follows. That once you have identified that pattern, right? Then you predict the next one and check, is it following the rule or not? If it is not following, then it's a rule breaker. है ना?
Okay, sir. Thank
Right?
you.
Very easy. Right? So let's see this one example of match pattern. है ना? Number pattern. Okay. See, question is, right? Question is, right? One. Hold on a second. I'm just making it up right now. What will come next? Think. Come on. Think and tell me. If you can find out the answer, send it to me in the chat box. Think and find. Look at the relation between 1, 5, 17 and 53. Yes, Dij. Now you have to find the rule here. What is the rule? And how it works. And then you have to fill in the blank. It's easy. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Send in your answers. Think this is the type of question that you will be facing. These are the type of question. Hana, lots of thinking will be involved. The paper tomorrow, I have made it little bit interesting. Okay, Gia, that is close, but still you need to find out the proper answer. So you still need to work on it. You are close. You are very close. Yeah, everyone. Yes, Mahir, type the answer in the chat box. No, Mahir, that is not the correct answer there. It's more like half of the answer. Think. No, Dwij. Do you want me to give it up? Right? Do you want me to give away the answer? First digit is 7. No, Prushti. Nah. 89. No, no, Jeet. Nah. The answer will be definitely in 3 digits. The answer will definitely be in 3 digits. Come on. Think. Think. No, Dwij. Mantra na. Think. Find the relation. Look at the relation between 1 and 5. Then 5 and 17. Think. What can be the relation between 5 and 17? Yes, Gia. No, that is too high. 240 plus is too high. Your previous answer was very close. Yes, Rija, sign the answer in no. Come on. Okay, here is the hint. The number is multiplied by 3, right? And then minus 2. Sorry, the number is multiplied by 3 and then you have to subtract or rather add 2. You have to add 2. So yes, Jia, that is correct. You are almost there. This answer, your answer just now. No, 150 plus. See, here, look at the relation here, right? 1 into 3 plus 2. So 1 3s are 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. 17 3s are 51 plus 2. Yeah. Okay. So 53 3s are. That you have to find. That is going to be 159. Hana? My plus 2. 161. Yes, Rishi, that you got it finally now. Correct. Rishi got it correct. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Who else got it correct? Nirja got it correct. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now it is correct. See, this is what I'm talking about. When it comes to, right, this is called as reasoning or logical questions, right? Take your time. There is no hurry for it. Hana? You have to think until you get the correct relations between them. Okay, right? And do not give it up. Hana? Right? Dvij, Bhavya, Mahir, right? Mirja, Jia. There will be some questions. There are some questions which will require lots of thinking tomorrow. Tomorrow's paper is going to be very special. You will enjoy it. Okay, right? So that's what you have to do. Okay, right, everyone? Yes. Okay. Now there is one more question which involves lots of thinking. There is one more question for tomorrow, and this is something which you studied in 4th standard also, right? If you remember, in 4th standard you had done coding, secret message, right? Yes, right? Secret message. Sorry. Yeah, okay, secret message. A, B, C, D, like that, up to Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 26. Right? This is something which we know. Hannah, right? You remember this one? You did it in 4th standard, right? You had to make a secret message. Say, for example, according to this one, right? Abhay. This keeps on happening. Okay. Abhay, right? What will be his code name? A is 1, B is 2, H. H will be what? H will be what? 7, 8, what? Think. Yes. Right? 8. Right? It is 8. Then again, and Y will be 25. Yeah? Correct? So same way you can create your own code name also. Right? You can create your own code also. Now, this is one way of coding, right? This is one way of coding, right? Now, there might be some other way of coding also. Say, for example, right? What I'm going to do is, hold on a second, right? Let's say Nirja. Hannah, this is the name, okay? Right? This is the word here, right? Let's go for Nirja, okay? Now, if Nirja's name in a secret coded message is if Nirja's name in the secret code is this, look at this one, right, everyone? Then what will be, sorry, what will be Dwij in the secret code? Okay, everything is in capital here. Think of it. Yeah. Yes, Prushti? That's what I'm saying. You have to find out how it will work out, right? Look at the relation between these two, right? Look at the relation between these two. है ना? Right? Okay? Pay attention. Right? N to P. That is which in between we ate up O. है ना? O भूख लगी तो खा गए. Right? I उसके बाद क्या आता है? J तो J खा गए. R के बाद S आता है खा गए. J के बाद K आता है उसको फिर से खा गए. A के बाद B आता है उसको खा गए. So what we are doing? We are eating it one word. We are skipping one word, right? We are skipping one word. That is the correct terminology, right? So now for Dvij, what will be? D becomes skip one letter E, skip one alphabet E, so it becomes F. V. What is V? After what? After V, what comes? W. But W we have to skip, so we have to go for X. I. K and J. J is already mentioned here, right? Now, right? FX KL. Yes, Aryan. बहुत भूख लगी है ना इसलिए, right? Yeah. Okay. Right. This is a different way, Shanvi. This is a different way of putting things, है ना? Yes. Not just ABCD. We can skip alphabets also. Yes, Gia. You want to say something?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
can I ask you a question? But
Yeah,
I
please.
know the answer.
Please go ahead.
What is the alphabet word of 10, 9, 23, 1?
Okay, that's what I was telling you all about. Hai na? Remember I told you that you have to create your own puzzle and we will share with each other. That's what is going to happen next week. Once we are done with this evaluation 4, right? Next week we will take up this activity. Okay. For now, let's focus on this one. Right? Let's focus on this one. Now my name. Let's go with my name because it's a bit longer, right? Kaushik. It's a seven alphabet word, right? It's a long word, Kaushik. है ना? And my official name is Kaushik Kumar. It's way long, right? It's too long, right? Now, instead of this one, what I'm going to see, do it, check it out. K becomes N. So M and M, J K L M L M I skip. That is two skips. A, B, C, and D. Okay. U. So U, V, W. है ना? So X again and dx. Right. Now at S, I'm going to keep it as such. I'm changing the rule in between here also. Dvij, focus right now. Put your hands down and focus right now. Okay. I have changed the rule here. I'm keeping this letter as same. And for H, I'm thinking about going backwards. Instead of H, right, comes G, right? Then instead of I, it comes H. Sorry. Instead of I, it comes H. And instead of K, it comes J. So what have I done here? I have changed it, right? So say, is there anyone who has a longer name like mine? Mahir, Shlok, Nirja, Jeet. Dhoni has got 6 letters. Shivani, yes, Shivani is good. Shivani, right? Right? That is again 7-letter word like me. है ना? So what we will do? If this is the rule, then what will be Shivani's code name here? S skip 2, T U V, H skip 2, I J K. Then I, this is I, है ना? Right? So I we skip 2, I J K L. Then the fourth letter we keep it same, है ना? And now before
Yes.
A, what comes before A? What comes before A? Z, right? We have to go in the circle, right? This worked out
Yes.
wonderfully, right? So before N comes M, and again I. Before I comes what? H, So this will be her code name. So in one word also I can change the rule. है ना? So there will be some questions where I have kept really complex things. है ना? Right? This is a test for not only for you. This is a test for me also. That have I taught you well or not? Let's see how many of you score 20 tomorrow. Right? Let's see how many of you can score 20 tomorrow. This is going to be real challenge. Right? Yes, Mahir, you wanted to say something. Make it quick.
Sir, if we say Afghanistan, so it will be so long.
Yes, that is a possibility, but you will have to find a way to handle it. Yes, Nirja.
Sir, I don't know. I don't understood the. सर आपने V के L B के बाद Z Z
Z
M L लिए तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
क्योंकि क्योंकि V के बाद यहाँ पे V में हम रूल चेंज करते हैं, V को V ही रखने देते हैं. दैट इज गोइंग सी हियर वाज S, अगेन द फोर्थ लेटर इज S only, and after the fourth letter, the fifth letter, the rule changes to one alphabet previous. So H के पहले क्या आएगा? G H होता है तो G आ गया. I के पहले H आएगा और K के पहले J आएगा. Right? Okay? Is it clear now? Right? So you will have to find the rule, you will have to justify, है ना? Yes, yes, Slok. बोलो Slok.
Ma'am, sir, I don't understand mental math 7 first exercise.
मेंटल मैथ्स, अरे अभी कहाँ से आ गया यार बीच में ये?
Sir, this one.
होल्ड ऑन सेकेंड. एक तो टाइम कम है और ये बट oh goodness, you should have sent me the message earlier बेटा. ऐसा है ना तो थोड़ी पहले मैसेज भेज दिया करो. मेंटल मैथ 7 you said. Yes, Slok.
Yes.
Okay, what is the page number?
69.
69. Mental math 7, first number. Oh, this one is easy. This one is easy, very easy. है ना? Right? This one is very easy. What is the rule here? Let me see. Let me see the rule here. Yeah, okay. Observe the patterns and fill in the blanks. See, the number is like 6, 7, 8, 5 here. There is 5 here. Then 8 is same here. Okay. What is happening? What is the rule here? You'll have to find out the rule beta here. We did this one in the classroom, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah. What was the rule here? 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 6, 8, 10, 8. 8, 5, 8, 8, 8, 6. Yeah, Prishti, you want to say something? The meeting is about to end, beta. Yes, Dhwani.
Sir, in Dweej, you write his code FX, but W will come X.
Yeah, okay, you can so there is a possibility that I may have made a mistake there. You can rectify it, no problems, है ना? You can check it, no issues. You'll have to.
Sir.
Yeah, who is that?
Yeah.
Yes, Jia. Slok, I will get back to you on this one on directly. You can call me for this one. Okay, you can call me for this one. The meeting is about to end, beta, right now. है ना? Okay, call me on my cell. We will solve this. Okay. All right then. That's it. That's it for the day, everyone. All the best. Enjoy the test. Have fun. Bye bye.